pleasant morning to all our grade 4 pupils. This is your School on Air in Mathematics. We are really delighted to have you today for our discussion through our radio and telecasting mode of learning. I am your teacher on air, Pedro from Schools Division of Cauayan City. Always stay tuned to 88.5 DWND FM, CMD Cable Channel 1, and we are live streaming on SDO Cauayan City Facebook page. Before we start, make sure that you are in a comfortable place and can clearly hear me in your radio or see me in your screen. Have you taken your breakfast? It is very important that your tummy is full and your body is in good condition, so your mind is alert and ready to absorb and understand the lesson we are going to discuss today. After the discussion, you are expected to round numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. At this point, please get your module for the lesson, Rounding Numbers to the Nearest Thousands and 10,000s. I repeat, our lesson for today is rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. May I remind you some rules? First, listen carefully. Second, follow directions. And third, you can ask help to your parents or siblings if there's something you cannot understand about the lesson. But don't let them answer your activity. Last time, we studied about place value and value of a digit in numbers up to 100,000. Now, let us check if you can still remember what we have learned last time by answering the following questions. Listen as I read the direction. Write the place value and value of the digit 5 in each of the numerals. Number 1. In 23,456, what is the place value and value of 5? If your answer is tens and the value is 50, you are correct. Number 2. What is the place value and value of 5 in 58,169? Yes, 5 is in the 10,000s place and the value is 50,000. Number 3. What is the place value and value of 5 in 69,573? Very good! The answer is on hundreds place and the value is 500. How about in number 4? In 52,604, what is the place value and value of 5? You are right. It is in the 10,000s place and the value is 50,000. In question number 5, what is the place value and value of 5 in 75,819? Correct! It is in the thousands place and the value is 5,000. If you got all items correctly, then you did a great job. If you have some mistakes, then you need to practice so you can become better. Before we proceed to our discussion, I will give you 1 minute if you need to go to the restroom. You are now prepared for our new lesson. Are you ready? As what I have said a while ago, our lesson for today is about rounding numbers to the nearest thousands and 10,000s. Make sure that you have your module with you so you can easily follow the flow of our discussion. Rounding numbers can be done in two ways. One way to round off numbers is by using number line. Let us round off 12,756 to the nearest 10,000s. Look at the number line in your module on page 9. The number 12,756 is obviously nearer to 10,000 compared to its distance from 20,000. Therefore, 12,756 can be rounded off to 10,000. Another way to round off numbers is by using the place value. In 12,756, the number to the right of the rounding place is 2. Since 2 is lesser than 5, we round it down. Change all digits to the right of the rounding place into zeros. So, 12,756 round down to 10,000. Can you follow, class? Let us have another example. Let us round 67,452 to the nearest 10,000s. The number we are going to round is 6. The digit to the thousands place is 7. Since 7 is more than 5, we are going to round it up. Add 1 to 6, then change all the digits into zeros. So, when 67,452 rounded to the nearest 10,000s, it will become 70,000. Now, you already know how to round off numbers. I expect that in the next activities, you will get all the correct answers. This time, turn your module on page 10, Activity 1. Using the number line, find out and underline where the number is nearer to. If it is nearer to 30,000 or 40,000. I will give you time to answer the activity. For item number 1, 37,321. Is it nearer to 30,000 or 40,000? Item number 2, 31,543. Is it nearer to 30,000 or 40,000? Item number 3, were 36,289 nearer to 30,000 or 40,000? Number 4, 35,342 is nearer to 30,000 or 40,000. And last, number 5, where 33,879 is nearer to 30,000 or 40,000. Let us see if you got the correct answer. Number 1, 37,321 is nearer to 40,000. Very good. Number 2, 31,543 is nearer to 30,000. Yes, you are correct. Number 3, 36,289 is nearer to 40,000. Number 4, 35,342 is nearer to 40,000. And number 5, 33,879 is nearer to 30,000. I hope that you got all the correct answer. If not, don't worry because you may go over after our discussion with the help of your parents. Here's another activity for you to answer. Activity 2 on your module on pages 10 to 11. Write through if the number is correctly rounded to the nearest thousands or 10,000s and false if it is incorrect. Number 1. 3,681 is rounded to 4,000. Is it true or false? How about number 2? 8,514 is rounded to 8,000. Is it true or false? Let's proceed to number 3. 27,607 is rounded to 28,000. True or false? Number 4. 49,536 is rounded to 50,000. True or false? And number 5, 85,491 is rounded to 86,000. True or false? Let us check if you got the correct answer. Number 1. Very good. The answer is true. Number 2. Correct. False. Number 3. You are right. True. Number 4. Correct. True. And number 5. Yes. The answer is false. Congratulations, children! You did a great job. Keep practicing. One more activity for you. Again, look at your module on page 10, activity 3. Are you ready? Here is the direction. Round the numbers to its highest place value. Always remember, children, the rule in rounding numbers. Item number 1. Round 9,316 in its highest place value. Number 2. Round 77,421 in its highest place value. Number 3. Round 96,568 in its highest place value. Number 4. Round 34,251 in its highest place value. And number 5, round 8,460 in its highest place value. Now, for the rest of the activities, children, answer what I can do and assessment on pages 13 to 14 on your module to check if you really understand the lesson. Based from our discussion, how do we round numbers? Correct! Rounding numbers can be done in different ways. Using number line, and using place value. If the digit to the right of the rounding place is lesser than 5, round it down and change all the numbers to the right into zeros. But if the number to the right is more than 5, add 1 to the number to be rounded and change the remaining numbers to 0 or round it up. Once again, one lesson has been done for today. To better grasp and have a deeper understanding of the lesson we have discussed, you may go over our module on pages 5 to 14 including assessment. Also, attach our additional activities for you to work on in page 15. You are encouraged to answer all the activities to improve your skill in rounding numbers. If you have questions or clarification, you can text or call your teacher, or you can message them through your group chat, Messenger, or Facebook if available. Only if available. But if not, you can drop your output in the provided boxes in your school. You will learn more lessons in Mathematics 4 in our next telecast. Be sure to tune in our School on Air every Tuesday at 8:30 in the morning. Once again, I am Teacher Belia, your mathematics teacher on air for today. Always remember, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, by Nelson Mandela. Despite the situations that we are having right now, your DepEd family will consider all means for your welfare because we love and we care for you children. So stay safe, stay at home. Always practice personal hygiene protocols at all times. Together, we can do it. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, para sa Diyos. Sulong edukalidad. Bye!